Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your brake pads on a Subaru BRZ. The only thing you're going to need is a wrench of 14 mil, a C-clamp, and brand new pads. There's only 2 screws that you got to take off, and I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see right here, there's this little boot right here. It has a screw on the back of it, and same goes for the other side right here. There's a boot, and then right behind it there's a bolt. For me, I'm gonna be a little bit more careful just because I recently literally just sprayed my calipers. If you guys didn't see that video, it's the last video that I posted before this one. But other than that, just take off those 2 screws, and this piece right here will come right off, and then you can access your brake pads. There's 1, and there's 2. Now that those 2 are out, I can literally just slide this out. Boom. Usually, as you can tell, I don't have a brake pad here, and that's because, like I said, I had recently just sprayed these calipers. And usually what it would look like, it would look something like this. This brake caliper would be right here, and it'll be chilling in there, and all you have to do is just pop it out. You could take a screwdriver, you could do it by hand. Same thing goes for the one in the back. I still have the one in the back, so I can just literally stick my hand in here. Oh my gosh. There we go. Also, there are these clips in here that also hold in the brake pads. So I literally just pry these out. You could do this also with a screwdriver, but I'm doing it by hand just because it's not that difficult. Boom. And that's it. We got these new ones. The one with this long tab right here is the one that goes on top, and then the one that doesn't have the long tab is the one that goes on the bottom. Gotcha. Boom. This one's in there. Now let's put the bottom one on. There we go. Easy. Now for the brake pads. You see there's 2 of them, and they both have these clips on the sides of them. Obviously the one that has this right here, this is where this clip is gonna go. So this one is gonna go on this side, and then the opposite one will go on the other opposite side. So what I like to do is I like to stick it in here first, put it down there, line it up with this one right here, and just push it in. Push it in, boom. It's not going nowhere. Same thing for the back side. There we go. I just had to move this bracket a little bit so it could actually sit down properly. Boom. That's it. These pistons right here that you guys can see, there's 2 of them. Boom and boom. These are what push the brake pads so they can actually squeeze and break the actual wheels, and the disc and squeeze onto this so it can stop you. Now, what we need to do is push these back. So this is when we're going to bring in the seat clamp. And I'm going to tell you, while I'm doing this, the real actual proper way to do this is to bleed the actual brakes. And I'll show you where you bleed these, just in case you want to bleed them. I'm not going to, just because I have to hurry up and I have a wedding to actually catch in the next couple hours. So I'm going to just push these all the way back, and then I'll bleed them another day. Trying to be careful with these freshly painted calipers. Like now that both pistons are pushed back, now that both pistons are pushed back, I just want to give you a fair warning because I did this on the other side. I was struggling to put this caliper back onto here because I didn't notice that these things right here actually have a flat side and then the round side. You want to make sure that the flat side is touching this flat part right here. Okay? That's just a quick little tip so you don't struggle to put these on. Also, push them in while you're doing this. Those little boots, you want to push them in. Because if you don't push them in, then it's going to be more difficult for you to put these on. Boom. And that's it. That's how you replace brake pads. Tighten these up. Brake pads installed, brand new. If you guys like this video and it helped, please give me a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.